Hello students, in this video we will solve this problem. If cosecant theta plus cot theta is equal to k, then prove that cos theta is equal to k square minus 1 by k square plus 1. Okay, let us solve this problem. Now we have done a similar problem in the previous video. I highly recommend you please go watch that video. Okay, we have an identity cosecant square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1, right? And this is of the form a square minus b square. So a square minus b square can be written as a plus b multiplied by a minus b, right? So a square minus b square can be written as a plus b, that is cosecant plus cot, and a minus b, that is cosecant minus cot, equal to 1 here. All right, so let me rub this. See what is given in the question. Cosecant plus cot is equal to k given. So cosecant plus cot, it is equal to k given. So in place of this I'll write k, and cosecant minus cot is equal to 1. Now if you send k on the other side, cosecant minus cot will be equal to 1 by k. K is being multiplied here. When it goes on the other side, it will divide. Okay, now let us take this given equation as 1. Okay, see cosecant plus cot, I'll take this as equation 1. This was given to us. I'll take this as equation 2. Okay, we got this. Cosecant minus cot is equal to 1 by k. All right, now using these two equations, we will find out what is the hypotenuse side, what is the adjacent side, and what is the opposite side of a right angle triangle. Now how should we do that? See, there are many methods of solving this problem, but we are doing the easiest one. Okay, so to find the three sides of a right angle triangle, what we'll do here is, first we will add these two equations. Okay, we'll get two sides, and then we'll subtract these two equations, we'll get two more sides. Okay, I hope this is clear. Just follow along. First let us add equation 1 and equation 2. Equation 1 is cosecant plus cot equal to k, and cosecant minus cot is equal to 1 by k. So if we add, plus cot minus cot will become 0. This is 2 cosecant theta. Cosecant theta plus cosecant theta is 2 cosecant theta. This will be k plus 1 by k. Be careful here. This will not be k by k. This will be k plus 1 by k. All right. Okay. So now what do we have? See, I'll write here. We have 2 cosecant theta, and this k I'll write it as k by 1. Denominators are different, so we need to multiply the denominators. K into 1 is k. Now cross multiply k into k, k square. 1 into 1 is 1. Okay, so send 2 on the other side. Now we have cosecant theta is equal to k square plus 1 by 2k. This 2 goes to the denominator, right? Okay, now see, suppose if we have a right angle triangle, let us say this is ABC, right angle is at B. Now what is cosecant formula? See, let me write here, sine, cos, tan, cosecant, secant, cot. Old hero and his old acting. Cosecant is hypotenuse by opposite. Okay, suppose if we consider theta here, hypotenuse will be this. So hypotenuse is k square plus 1 divided by opposite. Opposite is 2k. Okay, because cosecant is hypotenuse by opposite. So if you take k square plus 1 as hypotenuse, opposite will be 2k. Okay, I hope this is clear. K square plus 1 and this is 2k. We need to find the third side. We can find using Pythagoras theorem, but that will be very lengthy. So what we'll do is, we have added one side, we will subtract it. Okay, if we subtract, we'll get cot. Subtract 1 and 2. So we have cosecant plus cot equal to k, and we have cosecant minus cot is equal to 1 by k. When we subtract, the signs will change, so cosecant will get cancelled. cot plus cot is 2 cot theta. This will be k minus 1 by k. Alright. So this is k by 1. Let us simplify this. This will be 2 cot theta is equal to, denominators are different, 1 into k is k, cross multiply, k into k is k square, 1 into 1 is 1. So if you send 2 on the other side, cot theta will be equal to k square 1, k square minus 1 divided by 2k. But what is cot formula? Adjacent by opposite. So this is adjacent, this is opposite, adjacent. So here this is the adjacent side. So k square minus 1, opposite we already know it is 2k. Okay. So we got the 3 sides of a triangle. Let me just rub this. What was cot value? Cosecant, and cot was k square minus 1 divided by 2k. Okay. Now in the question, cos theta we need to find. Cos theta is k square minus 1 by k square plus 1. Okay. We can find any trigonometric ratio now. We can find sine also, because sine is opposite by hypotenuse. Okay. So what is opposite? 2k divided by hypotenuse k square plus 1. But we are not supposed to find sine, we need to find cos theta, right? But I'm just telling you, we know 3 sides now. We can find any trigonometric identity at trigonometric ratio. Okay. All right. So let us find cos. What is cos formula? Old hero, and his adjacent by hypotenuse is this. So cos theta will be equal to, adjacent side is this side, k square minus 1, hypotenuse will be k square plus 1. Okay. So cos value is k square minus 1 divided by k square plus 1. Alright, I hope you understood this problem. See you in the next video.